everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO T1 Pro, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset operation will be useful if for some reason your device does not respond to your touches, it freezes and you have no idea what to do. You can try to force restart it or soft reset, and to do that we have to press the power button, which is right here, and the volume down button together, and wait until you will see the black screen and your device will be restarted. So let me press both of those buttons and wait. Just ignore the screenshots, etc. Just press both of those buttons for about 8 or 10 seconds until you will see the black screen. I felt a vibration, I can see the developer's logo, which simply means that I just successfully restarted the device. So right now we have to simply wait until your device will be turned on, and hopefully after this operation it will work perfectly fine. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.